Welcome to our video on starting a career in UX/UI design. Today, we'll explore this exciting field and its significance in today's digital world. First, let's clarify the distinction between UX and UI design. While they are closely related, they play different roles in creating a product. Next, we'll highlight the essential skills needed for a successful career in UX/UI design, including user research, prototyping, and visual design. Now let's discuss educational pathways. There are numerous formal education options, from degrees in design to UX/UI bootcamps. A strong portfolio is crucial. Here are some tips on what to include to showcase your skills and projects effectively. Gaining experience is vital. Explore internships, freelance opportunities, and personal projects that can enrich your experience. Networking is key in this industry. Strategies for connecting with professionals can propel your career forward. Staying updated is essential. Follow industry trends and continue learning to enhance your skills. Let's talk about job search strategies. Here are tips for finding and applying for UX/UI design positions. To wrap up, remember the key points we discussed today, and don't hesitate to take the leap into your UX/UI design career.